Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This training is going to be on how to uh, clear off a purchase order when you receive below what you ordered. So right now I'm going to enable purchase order. I'll go to preferences, then I'll go to items and inventory. Under this I select on inventory and purchase order are active. So I'll go ahead to enable that. So once that is enabled, I'll be able to see my purchase order on the home screen. So let's create a transaction. So I'm going to create a purchase order, and once I've created one, I'm going to receive the inventory, but this time around I'm going to receive partly. So let's say I ordered for 20, and as a result I rejected some, or maybe at the point of receiving them there were some returns, so I did not take note of that. I only received what the good one or the ones I want. So now let's say I want to buy from, let me use Chase as a vendor. Okay, so I want to order for, okay, we don't have an inventory item, so let me create an inventory item here very quickly. So let me say bicycle. Okay, and if I got that right, bicycle. Okay, so let's say bicycle. The cost price, let's say 25 to 2500. The selling price is 3000. I select an income account. So let's say I select revenue. Then I think I'm done with that. Then it's okay. So I want to order for bicycle. I want to order, let's say 50 bicycles. That's 50 times 2500. We have 125,000. So I want to order for 50. So I save and close from Chase. So now I'm receiving, I want to receive the item, but what I'm receiving now, I'm going to be receiving 40. Okay, so I receive inventory with bill. Then I select the vendor name. It will pop out showing me that there's a purchase order on that vendor. So I can go ahead and click yes if I want to work on a purchase order. So I click on yes, then I select that order. Now click OK. It will come up as it is 50. So but this time around I want to, as a result, maybe 5 were damaged, and the extra 5 were not part of what I ordered for. So I'm only receiving 40. So we are returning, or at the point of receiving those items, we are returning 40. So I'm not receiving 50. I'm receiving only 40. Now I receive 40. Remember, there will be a balance of 10 on that purchase order number 1. So when I go ahead and hit save and close, now when I go back to receive inventory again, let's say I want to receive inventory now, then maybe another transaction, but this one around it doesn't involve purchase order from that same supplier. It will show me that there is an open purchase order. I don't want to keep on seeing this, just like the question that was raised on my Facebook QuickBook training group, that what if we keep on receiving below what we ordered for, we keep on receiving, that it will be accumulating. As a result of that habit, it will accumulate and accumulate. At the end of the day, if I click yes, you will see them line up here. It might be up to 10, 20, 30, depending on how many times you receive below what you ordered. So in order to disable this so that you know you are done with that purchase order, you are going to cancel that purchase order. So how do you do that? So I'm going to exit it and go to purchase order. So once I go to purchase order, I can find, if there are much, and click on find for Chase, then find. Now we have it here. So now over here you see that we ordered for 50 and we received 40. So there's a back order of 10. So it will keep on coming up anytime I want to receive inventory from this chase. And how do I receive inventory? Just like I told us, if I go through here, receive inventory, I will show us again. Now if I select chase, it will come up. So what if we keep on creating purchase order and we keep on receiving below the purchase? Do we keep on saying no, no, no to every question that is asked on if we want to go ahead with the purchase order? No. So the best thing to do is to close that purchase order. So I'm going to go ahead and close this purchase order. So how do I do that? You see by the hand side here, there is closed. So I'm going to click on this. I'll tick it. It will close it automatically. So whenever I'm creating or receiving an inventory from Chase, it will not bring up this bicycle again, except if there's another purchase order that I created again. So let me do save and close. Now, once this is save and close, now I go to receive inventory with bill. So I select Chase. You see that those purchase order will not come up again. I will start a new transaction. You understand? So that is the point. So I think I have answered the question asked by one of our members on the QuickBook training on Facebook group. If you still have any question regards this purchase order, please feel free to comment, drop it on the comment section. Like my YouTube video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I make any videos, you get alerted. You can also uh, invite us for a clearing for bookkeeping and accounting services. We offer those as well, and we offer training to prospective accountants, or even if you're not an accounting student, we also do that. Hope to see you guys in my next class video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.